All right, well, I'm back at the convention center. Changed, showered, was gonna live stream, and it's like, oh man, I gotta go. It's time for the after party at the water park. Been looking forward to this. Been looking forward to pretty much everything here. It's gonna be pretty awesome. Getting the bus, which I think is over here.
California.
All right, standing in line, got my wristband next to my other wristband, and hopefully we'll start loading the buses soon. All right, here we are. Woohoo!
Thank you. Approximately every 5 minutes or so. Check, get some top down.
Wow, the slides are so big, they had to put them outside.
Yes, I knew they were going to go with towels.
Ooh, towels. You know, usually you have to pay to rent these. So, free is good. Oh.
Yeah, you're all good to go.
Ta-da! Look at that. Wiley. Wiley the wolf? Hello. Wow, look at this. It's I know that indoor water parks exist, but I've never been to one till right now. And if you've ever been to a swim meet, if you haven't, you're lucky. An indoor swimming pool, yeah, that's what it's like. It's hot, humid, which by the way, I'm fine with, but you almost feel the chlorine in the air. DJ's in the house. Oh, look at this. This looks fancy.
I'll go for glasses.
We're gonna hit the rides, but first, free food. So that was the pulled pork, pulled off the slaw. That's pretty good, but there's more. Right over there. I think that's mac and cheese. Let's go find out. Yep, mac and cheese. Not that great, honestly. But it's a good price. Oh, look, it's the world's smallest wave pool. How cute. Might as well, man. Why not? Fortunately, you won't be able to see me from this perspective because I don't have anybody to hold the camera. Are you kidding? My battery's almost dead. Oh yeah, we've been here before. Volcano Bay, yes. Wet and Wild. I got this. I forgot to woo! Okay, gonna record the whole time this time. Woohoo! I got a over 21 alcohol wristband because it was purple. No other reason. Because it's purple. And look, what a nice purple too, right? Yep, I know. All right, time for Fort McKenzie. Why? Because it looks awesome, that's why. Woo, it's cold though. Oh God, here it goes. Why are the kids' areas so cold? Ah. Actually, it's not that bad. I've had worse. Woo. Actually, that's not that bad. I thought it was worse. Woo. Actually, this water's nice. This water's actually really nice temperature. I'm surprised. It's slightly cool, but not really. Go. Oh, bad timing. Woo! Oh, this is awesome. Ooh. Except for the end where I got some water in my mouth and it's salty. Woo! It should be much better this time. Whoa. Okay, whoa. Backwards, okay, we'll fix that. There we go.
I put plastic surge in the outer apartment. I should be holding at all times. I hope you enjoy it.
I'll try. Thank you. Woo! I'm going outside. I think it's outside. Woohoo! Whoosh! Ah. Nice! I nailed it! Here we go! Woo! I'm outside! Seriously, the water slide goes outside the building. Back inside! Back outside! Woohoo! Whoa! Yep! Whoa! Whoosh! And flawless dismount. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks for keeping the party going all night. You're awesome. All right, here we go. hard to get my feet. There we go. Whoa. Whoa. Ah, fail. All right, it's closing time here, and well, you know, I have to get some sleep before tomorrow. Another long day, another awesome day, but another long day tomorrow. More sessions, things like that. But time to pull up the banners. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop. Thank you. Thank you for a good time. You're awesome.
California dreaming's on the rain.